So this other exercise 21.2, question number 3. So here, excuse me, this is a hollow sphere, and here a motorcyclist is going to perform stunts. Is going to run inside this sphere, and we have to find the area available to him for doing the stunt. So to start with, first of all, you need to find the radius. So what is the radius here? If you look at the question, the radius is not given. Instead of the radius, we have diameter. Question a diameter of mean diameter some radius and so you have to divide the diameter by 2. 7 by 2 meter anyway. 7 by 2 meter. Diameter alone so find the area available to the motorcyclist for riding at 2000. Area a curved surface area to so surface area of sphere formula. Surface area of sphere equal to four pi r square. So 4 into pi ka 22 by 7. Then PMR on r square akan 7 by 2 ka 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 square. And you can see what is 2 times 2 times. So you can cancel 7 and 7 also. So what you are left with is 22 multiplied by 7. That means we multiply that 154 square meter. So this many square meter is available to the motorcyclist. Easy, is not it? So after this, we will see another question, question number 4. In question number 4, how many lead shots, each of 3 mm in diameter, can be made from a cuboid with dimension 12 centimeter by 11 centimeter by 9 centimeter. Hey, question number 4. And we are here cuboid pakat kan ini. Cuboid pakat. We have a cuboid here, and I'm going to just make a rough figure of this one. Just assume that this is good enough. So any cuboid at here, 22. So this cuboid is made of lead, L-E-A-D. Okay. Now this can be reshaped in a shape. We are going to make lead shots. Lead shots. So lead shots which are circular in shape. How many lead shots can we make? The calculation. Oh, so they are of the same shape, and how many are possible here and so on. Now before doing that, I'll ask you one question which I have asked you in the last class. Just suppose we have a scale of 10 centimeter length. Centimeter, so say scale he centimeter zela logunta ila 2 centimeter. Zela logunta ila, how many pieces will you get?
5.
5 into so 5 and it's also them. Continue 5 was done. Yes, 5, but how?
Divide
10 ka 2
by 2.
So aumzia 2 til pakhat object pakhat atang adangan siam dona ni suan alian zo size ka So we can divide the larger one is divided by the smaller one. This was already said in the last class. So whenever you need to find how many there is number of solid form, what you will do is you keep the largest solid at the top and smaller solid on the bottom. The volume of the larger solid will be divided by the volume of the smaller solid, and you get that answer. So in this question, our larger solid is cuboid. Alliance of a cuboid kan naya cuboid hi suan lead ani tro. Kami atang hian marble ang lead shot kan siam don ani. Lead shot kan dia silai mu ang ani maya yan kan mu te polon ni tro. So heng hang hian lead he tilai cuboid shape hi him yang kan thang ni. Suan a diameter hi ta hian 3 mm. Hemi a diameter hi 3 mm. This diameter is 3 mm. So hemi bi ka hian cuboid bi ka hian a length tha 12 ania a breadth a wang zong 11 ani le a chana sang zong hi 9 ani hi na a sang zong hi 9. Okay, so we start question number 4. Length of cuboid. Length of cuboid can see a patanga. Length of cuboid capital L kan tianga 12 centimeter. Then breadth of cuboid. Breadth of cuboid actual B da turan yanga capital B kan daranga. So ini 11 true. Then what is the height of the cuboid? Height of cuboid H is 9 centimeter. After this, radius of lead shot. Lead shot. He R kan tiang a radius kan song dona. A radius mean pelawa. A diameter mean pesok kan itu 3 and here. So we will use 3 divided by diameter of mean P. A diameter ka 2 kan divide to radius zona. Radius to diameter by 2 ini formula ni. Diameter chan beka radius kan isi a. Esa kalau kita sedu diameter ni kan radius should be to center lesser than kan so kan. So you have this is radius. Kami pun hit 10 lo kita se 5 5 so 10 by 2 5 here. Okay, so this is how we find it anyway. Here 3 by 2 mm nita adang zong hi centimeter kan nei bet si ko centimeter tha ka nga nga centimeter tha tu chua mm ha 10 in divide nga in. So we get this, that is 3 by 20 cm centimeter chua tu. So I think I can zone down to the number of how many number of confusion to lead shots will be equal to volume of larger solid kan danga volume of a formula naman po volume of larger solid ani kan nei larger than cuboid, volume of the cuboid by volume of one lead and one lead shot. And exactly on don't control one lead shot contain not shot, sorry. One lead shot. It's one cuboid formula can apply a cuboid formula to what is the formula for cuboid? L into B into H container. L into B into H. L by is of Purania, but in India we use this as into L into B into H. Let's shot Pahatsu spear and Itani Himbumani. Spear and nature spear volume formula ka 4 by 3 by R cube. Value kan dana chote dana. So L into B into H and L, so Li can be 12. What is B? 11. What is H? 9. And what is up? 4 by 3, 5, 22 by 7, 20, notes copy logo. 3 by 20 into 3 by 20 cube and 3 by 20. Now, after doing this, you have to do the calculation. So numbers which can be cancelled, may be cancelled directly, or you may also change a divided sign to lower. That's all. You can do it like this. I'll show you. Quite easy if you are not good. You can cancel this one, 3 and 3. And the remaining, I will not cancel it right now. I'll show you how to do it here. So what you will do is equal to the number 12 into 11 into 9 can see a patanga. And why number into and the things on line. 4 by 1 meter 1 by 4 and you can see up there. 7 by 22 and the Hazoki and 1 of the row 20 by 1 and 20 by 1 has yet into 3 by 20 20 by and why you let links on as the 20 by 3 it's on so take and 1 so to cancel this 4 in control 4 3 times 12 3 let 3 and cut the younger so here divide me 3 in he 3 times katanga which is a 9 so 22 and why 11 1 time 11 2 time and they are 2 and why and why a number on 2 to cancel to okay so 10 is what 2 in 21 after 10 is what it's on 3 into 1 7 into 10 into 20 into 20. Now, how will you multiply this? 7 into 3 got 21. 20 abang is on 0 ni ang C. Biar pakat pandi patungkan dia 0 patungkan dah atau pangat dia. Cuan a number you can put here 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So can multiply dengan 0 patungkan kopi dia atau pangara pangai dah 0 patungkan kopi yang 4 in 4 1 time 4 in 21 you can put here 4 1 time 4 4 2 0 8 you can answer it's one me let cuboid akan yang mu sang singriat le sang ni kan siang okay. So the main way of solving is to know this step, the most important step. Tahian cuboid bika length breadth height kan siaga so left short kan radius kan zong pada tu radius ayan cm kan leya cm ka sorry mm kan leya mm ka cm acan tiring dulson 10 divide na ya so an hoya 10 kan data 10 into 2 to 20 3 by 20. So volume atau turan ibangkan number of literature equal to kan tianga alianzo cuboid hi achung zo kan daanga son heng mumho hi te zo kan nia sphere kan waya kan da zo kan volume of one literature. So volume of cuboid formula kan daanga L into B into H by sphere formula datu yang 4 by 3 pi r t. So value in the anga in tapang. Okay, you can see it in the recording which I'll send you later on. So after this, if you have doubts, you'll be asking me. After this, we'll be moving to another question. That is question number 5. Question number 5. Now, if you look at question number 5, and the same type of question is here, A solid sphere of radius 3 centimeter is melted. Sphere pahat til mum pahat suna naya solid ania he kan tituya is melted and she kami kan tha into and then cast into smaller spherical balls. Mum bok akan kan tha there, but they are smaller now. This is changed into smaller spherical balls. Now the question is how many balls will be possible? So we have changed this big one into many smaller balls, and the question is how many balls can be made. So maybe kind of radius things are nearly check the question. Radius ka 3 centimeter bro 3 centimeter sa and pahazo kahin a diameter d 0.6 centimeter a radius to 0.6 divided by 2. Oh, so we will see here how to start. The radius of solid sphere R di sini mana ngai dona ni alian zoga capital R kan hanga 3 centimeter kan tiang. So radius of smaller spherical ball. Smaller balls kan timaya small R atezo. Hemi hetilai mi sphere atang hian 18 movement 22 ya so tiam shape in sat next work okay how many are possible so a diameter kan ya 0.6 radius around 5 to 2 can divide that 22 0.3 as well on that so that more 3 by 10 decimal kan dulu centimeter you can cancel in 0.3 as well okay. Now, amagan so ang number of balls, smaller balls, dina equal to kan tianga chungzo ka enge ka mantu o so ng mantu volume of the alianzo solid sphere alianzo kan hanga anhoizo ka kan atezo kan manzo volume of one smaller ball and yeah sorry for the handwriting a smooth to level so this will be much easier we just put the formula 4 by 3 by r cube and y so again 4 by 3 by small r cube oh both are spheres so they have the same formula only the radius is not same so as we are going to cancel 4 by 3 4 by 3 there 4 by 3 cancel pi there pi cancel there so r cube count don't tell me r cube the r cube and the so I can r cube divided by r cube and then we can on the other side and we are almost done so this will be equal to capital R cube by here and here one to capital R cube so only 3 and so we'll be using 3 R cube 3 void 3 3 3 so one small R cube as one 3 by 10 void small R cube 3 by 10 oh it's one so 10 dan kan so ito you can just cancel 3 3 3 but if you are not very good in this thing amaran siya to kan letting zone agway niyo ka letting zone la divided by ka multiply and complete oh divided by so 3 cancel nga and 3 cancel nga so the answer to 1000 ball sangkat on thầy ảnh. This is how we find the number of balls or number of any other solid formed by either melting or changing the shape. Okay, and this is very, very, very important for class 10 that be kept in your mind. Also, ma more look at the Lavila. NCQA, they Atsuaga to market the first one. So this is all for this exercise. We shall stop our recording here.